In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to create a VO3 account on mobile. You want to head to Google Chrome. You can use other browsers, but at the moment, Chrome gives you the best experience. In the search bar, search for VO3. You will see many websites, but you have to click onto this very first website. Now you will then click on Try and Flow. Here, you just want to scroll onto this option of Create a Flow. Here, you just want to select a Google account you want to link on VO3. Then mark onto these options. And once everything is set, tap on Next. Now you will have to proceed on Continue. As you can see, I can't tap on Continue because the flow isn't available in my region yet. Now, since this software was just released a few days back, it hasn't yet been available in multiple countries. But I hope you have at least gotten an idea on how to create a VO3 account on mobile. If it happens to be available in your country, well and good, just tap on Continue to proceed. Well, that's how you can create VO3 account on mobile. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.